Now class third C. Class third C. Class third C. GSC. GSC date 23/10/2020. So some students has asked that they could not complete the worksheet 14. So I am going to again write the question answer of worksheet 14. So you see the worksheet 14 again. Worksheet 14. Lesson's name I am writing. Lesson's name changing weather. Lesson changing weather. Changing weather. So worksheet 14. So we are writing the answer the following. C we are writing answer the following. Answer the following. We are writing the first. What factors cause the different kinds of weather? So answer first. The factors cause different kinds of weather. Different kinds of weather are: number 1, sun; number 2, wind; number 3, clouds; and number 4, rain. So these are the 4 factors. Number 1 is sun, second wind, third clouds, and fourth rain. So these are the 4 factors which cause a different kinds of weather. Now see the second question. The question is there: why are days warmer than night? So due to the presence of, answer will be due to the presence of sun. Due to the presence of sun, the days are warmer than nights. The days are warmer than nights. One reason is there. That reason is the sun. Now see next question. Question number third. Third question. Why are mornings and evenings comparatively cooler than noon? So answer will be it is cooler during mornings. Third question. It is cooler during mornings and evenings because the sun's rays are because the sun's rays are slanting. Sun's rays are slanting and noon is hot because its rays fall straight. It is cooler during mornings and evenings because the sun's rays are slanting, and noon is hot because its rays fall straight. Two reasons are there. Now fourth question. Number fourth. What is fourth question? Which hot wind make the weather unpleasant and uncomfortable during the summer? So, hot winds called Lu. Called Lu makes the weather. Hot winds called Lu makes the weather unpleasant and uncomfortable during summer. So we have completed The four questions we have completed. The four question. Fourth, you see, hard winds called Lu makes the weather unpleasant and uncomfortable during summer. So now see last question. See, we can see the last question. That is, how does weather affect our lives? Now next question, question number 5. Question number 5. How does weather affect our lives? And number 5, you see, by following ways. By following ways. By following ways, weather effect our lives. Weather affect our lives. So number 1, storms. Number 1 is storms. Storms uproot trees. Storms uproot trees. Storms uproot trees, can blow up roofs of houses, can blow up roofs of houses, destroy crops, etc. And second, foggy weather. Second, foggy weather often leads to accidents. Leads to accidents. Accidents may be road accident or other type of accidents. Because visibility is very less. Now third, travel and transport become very difficult. Third, travel and transport become very difficult become very difficult in wet weather. So travel and transport become very difficult in wet weather. And fourth, pleasant weather helps pleasant weather helps almost all activities, almost all activities of our life like playing, picnic, reading, etc. So these are the questions.